Hi, in this video, we will create the adapter for RecyclerView and finish the ShowTerm activity. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to show records from database into RecyclerView. So let's get started. If you want to master Android apps and games development, click subscribe and the bell icon, and let's do this together. Open Android Studio and create the adapter for RecyclerView. Extend RecyclerView.Adapter. This custom view holder will give access to our views. Click on the red squiggly line, press Alt-Enter and click Implement Methods. Select all the three methods and click OK. Declare variables to store the data from constructor. Instantiate a custom on-click listener. Click My On-Click Listener, press Alt-Enter and click Create Inner Class My On-Click Listener. Click on the red squiggly line, press Alt-Enter again and select Implement Methods. Click OK. Create a static inner class and provide references to all the views for each data item. This is particularly useful for caching the views within the item layout for fast access. Click on the red squiggly line, press Alt-Enter and click Create Constructor Matching Super. Declare member variables for all the views in a row. Store the item subviews in member variables. Provide a suitable constructor for terms adapter. Assign variables received in constructor to this class's member variables. In onCreateViewHolder method, we will create new views that will be invoked by the layout manager. Create a layout inflator object. Inflate the custom layout. RecyclerView don't allow to set an on-item click listener as ListView does. So we had to create our own custom on-click listener. Create and return a new holder instance. In onBindViewHolder method, we will replace the contents of a view and this will be invoked by the layout manager. Here, get element from your dataset at this position and replace the contents of the view with that element. In getItemCount method, we will return the size of our dataset. In onClick method of our custom onClick listener, first get the child layout position from RecyclerView object by passing the child view. Get the corresponding term object from terms list by passing the item position. Next, go to ShowTerm. Declare a database adapter object reference. Declare a RecyclerView object reference. Declare a term adapter object reference. Declare a layout manager object reference. And define an array list of term. In onCreate, get the string that we sent from main activity with the intent. Instantiate database adapter class and pass this for context. Call getSomeTerms method on database adapter object and store the returned array list in terms list. Obtain a handle for the RecyclerView. You may use this setting to improve performance if you know that changes in content do not change the layout size of the RecyclerView. Use a linear layout manager. Set the layout with RecyclerView. Create an instance of terms adapter. Pass context, terms list, and the RecyclerView to the constructor. Finally, attach the adapter with the RecyclerView. Run the app. We have a problem here. We can see only one item in the RecyclerView. It's because I have mistakenly used match_parent for the layout_height for a single item. That's why the first item taking up the whole height and we are unable to see the other items. Let's fix this. Run the app again. Perfect. So, to recap, in this video, we have developed the custom adapter for our RecyclerView and finished the ShowTerm activity. I hope by now you clearly understand how to display data from database to RecyclerView. Next, we will start developing a new activity, term detail, where we can show the term along with its full form, edit or delete the term from database. See you in the next video.